Hey everyone, in this video, we're comparing ChatGPT versus Perplexity.ai to help you understand which AI tool is better for your needs. Both are powerful in their own way, but they are designed for different purposes, so let's quickly break it down. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI and is best known for conversation, content creation, and learning. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts, emails, blog posts, and captions, explain complex topics in simple language, brainstorm ideas, and even get help with coding. It's especially useful when you need detailed explanations or creative responses. Now, let's look at Perplexity.ai. Perplexity works more like an AI-powered search engine. Instead of long conversations, it focuses on giving quick, direct answers with real-time web access. One of its biggest advantages is that it shows sources and links, which makes it ideal for research, fact-checking, and staying updated with the latest news or trends. The key difference between these two tools is how they deliver information. ChatGPT provides longer, more detailed, and human-like responses, while Perplexity.ai gives short, summarized answers backed by citations. ChatGPT is all about depth and creativity, whereas Perplexity focuses on speed and accuracy. Both tools have their strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT is excellent for writing, explaining ideas, and creative work, but it may sometimes provide outdated information and usually doesn't include sources. On the other hand, Perplexity.ai offers real-time information and reliable references, but it's less creative and not ideal for long-form content. So, which one should you use? If your goal is content creation, learning, or detailed explanations, ChatGPT is the better choice. If you need fast research, verified information, or the latest updates, Perplexity.ai is the smarter option. In fact, the best approach is to use both together. ChatGPT for creativity and Perplexity for research. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.